Anonymous, why don't women have to wear yarmulkes? So we talked about this in the podcast portion, and that is that there's a difference between men and women. Men are external and women are internal. As such, men need externalities in order to keep their focus, right? So men have a mitzvah to wear tefillin, where they write on a cloth, remember Hashem, and they tie it to their head on their brain, remember Hashem, and they put it on their muscle. Before you do something, remember Hashem, and they point it to their heart, remember Hashem. They need an external reminder. Women don't have to do that because it's internal. They have an internal power. The mashal I bring is from a documentary on this subject that came out many years ago. It must be about 50 years ago, I'm guessing, something like that, called Star Wars, wherein Luke Skywalker wants to fight the bad guys who killed his parents. Not really his parents, turns out his father was Darth Vader, but that's another story. But anyway, so he joins up with Han Solo, who's a guy who has a blaster. And he blasts, bam, bam, bam. But his Rebbe, Obi-Wan Kenobi, says to him, you're making a mistake. Your koyach is on the inside. Reach inside of yourself and use the force. Don't waste your time with a blaster. So, whereas Han Solo, the man, is going around shooting, Luke Skywalker is just reaching inside of himself to reach the force. And then he can kill everybody, right? So that's the idea. So women have the force. It's an internal thing. And what Obi-Wan told him is, put away all these things. Put away the computer that's guiding you. Put away this. Just use the force. So women, because they have this internal understanding, they see things from a more basic level. To put something on their head, what's the purpose of yarmulke? Yura malka. Remember, God is above you. So a man has to take something and put it on his head. Remember, God's taka, yeah, God's up there, yeah. For women, that's a distraction. They don't need that. They use the force. It's on the internal. They reach inside of themselves. Yeah, that's why there's this very common fight that husbands and wives have, where a wife will say, you hurt my feelings. And the husband will say, no, I didn't. He says, I'm telling you I feel hurt. You might feel hurt, but I didn't hurt your feelings. I don't know what you're talking about. Unless you can prove to me that your feelings are hurt, it doesn't count. But I know it. I know it to be a fact. Yeah. That's the concept of Bina Yisera. They know, they understand. They don't have to have it proven to them.